Hello friends, welcome to our channel Infotainment. This is the fourth episode of Indian Bikes and today's topic is about KTM bike and its new trends. Friends, we keep making very different and interesting types of videos in which we try to give you informations about cars, bikes, places and actors. Please subscribe to our channel, like and share the video so that we keep bringing the video forward for you. If you have any video suggestions, then please comment us. Introduction: KTM, an Austrian motorcycle manufacturer, has made a significant impact on the Indian two-wheeler market with its high-performance and adrenaline-pumping motorcycles. Known for their superior engineering, cutting-edge technology, and aggressive styling, KTM bikes have garnered a dedicated fan base in India. This video provides an overview of KTM motorcycles, highlighting their history, models, performance, features, and the brand's impact on the Indian biking landscape. History of KTM motorcycles. KTM AG, founded in 1934, KTM AG began as a metalworking and motorcycle parts business. Over the years, it evolved into a leading motorcycle manufacturer. Indian partnership. KTM entered the Indian market in 2012 through a partnership with Bajaj Auto, an Indian two-wheeler manufacturer. Models and variants. Duke Series. KTM's Duke Series features street bikes known for their aggressive styling, sharp handling, and powerful performance. Models include the Duke 125, Duke 200, Duke 250, and Duke 390 RC Series. The RC Series comprises fully faired sport bikes derived from the Duke models. These bikes offer enhanced aerodynamics and a sportier riding experience. Models include the RC 125, RC 200, and RC 390 Adventure Series. KTM's Adventure Series includes adventure touring motorcycles that combine on-road performance with off-road capabilities. Popular models in India include the 250 Adventure and 390 Adventure. Performance and technology. Power-packed engines. KTM motorcycles are equipped with high-performance engines that deliver impressive power and torque for thrilling acceleration and top speeds. Lightweight chassis. KTM focuses on lightweight construction, utilizing trellis frames and aluminum components, resulting in agile handling and maneuverability. Advanced features. KTM bikes incorporate advanced features like ride-by-wire throttle, slipper clutch, adjustable suspension, multiple riding modes, and advanced braking systems, enhancing performance and safety. Racing heritage. MotoGP and Dakar Rally. KTM has a strong presence in motorsport, participating in prestigious events like MotoGP and the Dakar Rally. The brand's racing expertise and technologies are often transferred to their production motorcycles, providing an authentic racing experience. Impact on the Indian motorcycle industry. Introduction of performance motorcycles. KTM Motorcycles introduced a new segment of performance-oriented bikes in India, challenging the dominance of traditional commuter motorcycles. Enthusiast community. KTM has fostered a vibrant community of biking enthusiasts through events, group rides, and track days, creating a sense of belonging and camaraderie. Premium motorcycle segment. KTM's success has encouraged other manufacturers to introduce more performance-oriented bikes in the Indian market, expanding the premium bike segment. After-sales service and network. Service centers and spare parts availability. KTM has established a robust service network across India, ensuring efficient after-sales service and easy availability of genuine spare parts. KTM Owners Clubs. KTM actively supports and encourages the formation of owners' clubs, providing a platform for KTM riders to connect, share experiences, and participate in exclusive events. Customer feedback and reviews. Positive aspects. Customers appreciate KTM motorcycles for their power, handling, aggressive styling, and advanced features, maintenance, and riding experience. Some customers have expressed concerns about the slightly higher maintenance costs and the firm ride quality associated with the sport-oriented suspension setup, future prospects, and innovations. Electric motorcycles. KTM has showcased electric motorcycle prototypes, indicating their focus on electric mobility. Future KTM electric models may cater to the evolving market demand for eco-friendly alternatives. Continued technological advancements. KTM is likely to introduce further advancements in areas such as connectivity, rider assist systems, and alternative powertrains to stay ahead in the competitive market. Hope you got an overview of Indian bike KTM. Friends, please like and share the video and subscribe to our channel for more such content. Thanks for watching.